Hi, Sachi. Hi, Manisha.
Hi, Vinay. Yeah.
Hi, Vinay.
So, I actually don't have internet network properly, so I'm sorry I'm not being able to switch on my video camera.
I'm sorry, can I not hear, or is it the same for you, Manish? Also?
Yeah. Vinay, your voice is really slow. I mean, low. Yeah, it's not audible.
Hello. You guys hear me now? I'm so sorry. There's something wrong with my mic, I think. Let me try and get on to from my
Now it's
phone.
better. Vinay, we can hear you.
Okay, cool. So I'm just basically the thing is I cannot come on a video because my internet connection is a little slow here. So if I come on a video, then it'll be either I can be seen or I can speak. So as soon as I have a better internet connection, then I'll be able to get myself on a video call. So Manisha, how many of the people are we waiting for? How many more kids are we waiting for right now, approximately?
Yeah, I mean, 3 of the kids have joined. We are waiting for some more kids to join.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great.
Uh,
Great. Hi,
Dhaneshwari,
Smriti. Hi, Smriti. How are you?
Hi Vinay, I'm good. I'm good.
Good. I'm so sorry. Can't come on a video because there's
That's
internet
okay.
connection.
That's
Great.
okay. We completely understand. Yeah.
Great. So, Smriti, just wanted to basically know, like, just to get an idea about, this class, what we're doing with the kids. If you could just explain it to them, then Manisha can, when the kids all are there together, then Manisha can, explain it to them properly, basically.
Sure. Absolutely.
Okay.
Although our lead facilitator today will be Shachi Veda, who's with us. She is a former Teach for India fellow, and so she'll be our lead facilitator today. But
Okay.
I'd love to introduce the session that we are going to conduct today. So,
Right.
Manisha, today's session is about looking inside and looking at your own strengths and identifying your strengths. So for all the children here, we want to, sort of help them identify their own strengths or superpowers. So that's what today's session is about in brief. And Shachi, over to you if you'd like to add some more here.
No, I think that covers it. So we'll keep it for the session then.
All right. Perfect. Great.
Just wanted to understand what is the age group of the children who will be
So
joining
this
us.
is between 8 to 14 years of age.
Okay, great. Thank you for sharing that.
No problem. So basically, this is for the demo class. We've only called a couple of our kids because we have a strength and like we have a strength about of 170 kids in a class. We can get 170 kids as of now. But then since this is a demo class, we would really like to know how this class goes well, and then on the basis of this, we can start up a schedule with you guys.
Yeah, sure.
Sounds lovely.
Right. Manisha, are we still
yeah,
waiting
so
for some kids?
yeah, we are waiting for some kids. Some of them are joining. Uh, Nakul, Rihan, Siaram, Sanjay, please अपने cameras on कर लो. So I'm
I can see
looking
a
forward.
nice background behind Sanjay. The kids are still joining, right? A couple of
Yeah, but
them.
Yes,
meanwhile,
please.
you can start if you want.
Yeah.
I mean, you can
So I was just thinking if in the meantime, if all the kids can write like one thing that you are excited about, uh, or you can share also with us, like what are you looking forward to or what are you excited about?
Okay,
Also,
one thing.
Sachi,
I'm sorry.
yes, Manisha, you can say that.
Yeah, all the kids are on mute. So if you want me, I can unmute
Oh,
them so they can have a proper interaction with you.
sure. So anybody who would like to share can raise your hand, and Manisha can maybe unmute you and you can share. Like, what are you excited about? Anything that you're looking forward to? या आप कुछ शेयर करना चाहते हैं आपके साथ आज कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग हुआ है और हम सबको भी जानना चाहिए.
Sanjay, what about you? You want to say something?
Sanjay always have something to say.
Yeah.
Nothing but I today has I think bad things. My laptop the display to broken today.
Oh. Where did you drop
Oh
it?
God.
But I'm just thinking how to
But
go
it's
and repair.
okay. I'm glad you could still join us today. So thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
I really liked how Vinay tagged Sanjay. Sanjay, would you like to tag somebody else? You can type the name maybe.
Sanjay, you want to tag someone?
Yes,
Mute.
I'm tech to Rihan.
Okay, Rihan. Hi, Rihan.
Hello, ma'am. Good
Hi.
evening, everyone.
Would you like to share something like what you're excited about or something excited happened through the day? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm excited about the session we are doing.
okay.
And
Nice.
ma'am, today
Thank you.
Sanjay's laptop broke. So we went to a outlet of Dell and we'll repair our laptop.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
great. I like how he has a company to go along with.
Yes, ma'am.
So I see, so you can also type in chat box. So I see Nakul is very excited because tomorrow the exams are finishing. Interesting. I think everybody has that thing. Exam khatam hone ka fun. All right. So should we start, Manisha?
Yes.
Or
we
anybody
can
would
start.
like to share? All right. I'll have to share my screen if I can.
Yeah, you can.
Okay,
Are you
great.
able to share?
Yeah, I am. Thank you. Okay, so hi everybody. A very warm welcome और आप सबका यहाँ पे स्वागत है. मैं बहुत ही excited हूँ आप सबके साथ बात करने के लिए, आप सबसे नया कुछ सीखने के लिए और आप सबकी strengths जानने के लिए. So जैसे कि आज जानते हैं आप आज का हमारा टॉपिक है What are your superpowers? So जब क्या कोई सुपर हीरो मूवी या क्या आप कोई कार्टून्स देखते हो या बचपन में देखे थे सुपर हीरोज वाले लाइक यू नो मूवीज या कार्टून और कोई शेयर करना चाहेगा व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट सुपर हीरो लाइक हु इज योर फेवरेट सुपर हीरो और इट कैन बी अ सुपर शीरो आल्सो आई कॉल इट बिकॉज लड़की भी हो सकती है लड़के भी हो सकता है सो आई बिलीव if you can share in the chat box who's your favorite superhero or shiro it could be anybody like it could be from cartoons it could be from books it could be some people around you so who are your favorite people or characters whom you considered as superheroes if you can share in the chat box wow Khushbu shares Powerpuff Girls. Mashal, if I'm not wrong, is saying Jadoo. All right, interesting.
My favorite is Popeye the Sailor Man.
Popeye, yes. Interesting. Kanishka is also saying Powerpuff Girls. I like how I like Powerpuff Girls. What about others? Oh wow, Iron Man. Thank you for sharing that, Rihan. I mean, it's not just for the children, right? हम बड़े भी share कर सकते हैं हमारे. I'm very sure हमारे पास भी थे superheroes. So who are your favorite superheroes? Siaram is saying Spider-Man. Interesting. I'm going to wait for 10 seconds. Vinay is saying Captain Plant. Interesting.
Oh, no, my bad. Captain Planet, my
Captain
bad.
America. is
No,
something that-
Captain Planet.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a very old school cartoon.
Interesting. Thank you for sharing that. So we have Sanjay sharing Tom and Jerry. Interesting. Smriti is sharing Wonder Woman. Okay. Nakul is saying Captain America. Interesting. Thor. Wow. A lot of superhero fans, I tell you. Okay, so I can also share mine. Mine is Kung Fu Panda. So I'm a very, very big fan of Panda. So that's my superhero. And Kanishka is also sharing my favorite cartoon is Shin Chan. Awesome. All right. So like we all know, right? Superheroes. कोई share करना चाहेगा superheroes की qualities क्या होती है? Why are they superheroes? Anybody would like to share that? Why are they called superheroes? Or why does this name superhero come from? Where does this name come from? And what clicks in your head when you hear the word superhero? Okay. Rihan is saying they're strong. Thank you for sharing, Rihan. Power. Khushbu is saying it is related to power. Mashal is, I don't know if I'm saying the name right. Please correct me if I'm wrong. They help others, power, because they're helpful, share and care. Wow, such interesting responses. All right. So yeah, यही theme है हमारे आज के session की भी कि जब हम सुपर हीरो की बात करते हैं या strengths की बात करते हैं, it is about what is something that we are good at, what is something that we possess and we don't know about it yet, right? जैसे स्पाइडरमैन को नहीं पता था कि उसका वेब होता है and he has that strength. So today we are going to try to kind of understand that what are our superpowers, what are we super awesome at. So I hope you guys are excited about it and I'm going to share my screen. So अब ऐसा है कि कहानी जो होती है मैं आपको ये कहानी के थ्रू करवाने वाली हूँ बिकॉज आई बिलीव स्टोरीज आर द बेस्ट वे ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग, राइट? बचपन से हम स्टोरीज ही सुनते आए हैं. Every time when we see a movie, there is a story. So I believe that stories are the best way to communicate a message. So let's see a story and understand this whole concept of strengths and superpowers. So give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen. Thank you. All right. I'm going to move a couple of slides. I think this is already happening, so I'm glad I don't have to tell. Okay, so story time. अब मैं ये थोड़ा वार्निंग देना चाहती हूँ कि ये स्टोरी हमने ग्रेड let's say 3 to 5 के लिए किया था, but I'm sure that ये story आपके लिए भी इतना ही exciting होगा. And think about it, put yourself in that grade 3 to 5 वाले shoes में maybe, and try to analyze and have fun out of this story and also learning out of this. So let's go. So story कुछ इस तरीके से है. ये story का नाम है Race in the Jungle. So ये story में 3 characters है. There is Zubi the zebra, Ginny the giraffe, and Ellie the elephant. Okay, so this is the story about a race between these 3 characters. So एक दिन Ginny Zubi जो है वो अपने दोस्तों को बोलती है क्यों ना हम एक रेस लगाते हैं. And Ginny and Ellie ऐसे एकदम ही खुश हो जाते हैं, एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं विद द अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ वो रेस होने वाली है, राइट? बचपन में जब हमें रेस का कॉन्सेप्ट होता था, एवरीबॉडी इज लाइक सुपर एक्साइटेड, क्या होगा, हाउ फास्ट आई एम गोइंग टू रन. So I think that's how they got excited that oh yes we should have it. So रेस शुरू हो गया था और आप देख सकते हैं कि अभी ज़ूबी बहुत ही आगे है, लाइक ज़ूबी इज रनिंग एट अ वेरी फास्ट स्पीड. और उसके तुरंत ही पीछे जिनी भी भाग रही थी. and I don't see Ellie, so I'm hoping that Ellie is running somewhere behind. So this is how the race is happening. Race is going on, and finish ही होने वाली थी, and still Zuby is सबसे आगे, Ginny is right behind, and Ellie is right at the left out. And बाकी के जंगल के बहुत सारे बहुत सारे एनिमल्स भी इकट्ठा हो गए थे, और वो कैसे जैसे हम cheer करते, राइट, हमारे फ्रेंड्स के लिए Zuby का cheer कर रहे थे उसको. And but then there were this some animals who are we see that, right, Ellie is a little bit behind, so they are like, Ellie's fat, he cannot run. So वैसा कुछ characters थे जो वैसे उसको थोड़ा demoralize कर रहे थे, demotivate कर रहे थे. So how do you think, like अभी आपने इतना देखा, how do you think is maybe Zuby feeling right now? You can type your responses in the chat box. So race is over. You saw what happened. I would like to understand, how do you think is Zuby feeling right now? So if you put yourself in the shoes of Zuby, how do you think she's feeling right now? Smriti, can you help me read the responses, because I can't read along with. Or maybe Manisha can also help.
Sure. So Dhyaneshwari is saying that Zuby might be feeling sad.
Okay.
Laisha is saying demotivated. Kanishka is saying sad. Nakul is saying, ma'am, she was the best friend of Elephant?
Oh, yeah, she was. Okay, interesting. So why do you think that Zuby was feeling sad? I really admire the responses and everything. So why do you think that Zuby is feeling sad? We all know, right? Zuby is the zebra, and she was running the first in the race. So why do you think that she is feeling sad or demotivated?
अगर किसी को अनम्यूट करना है, आप लोग बोल सकते हो. I'll unmute you guys. आप लोग chat में लिखना चाहो, you can write in chat.
Okay.
Nakul is saying that, ma'am, because she was the best friend of Elephant.
Wow. So thank you for sharing that, Nakul. So basically trying to feel what Ellie is going through, and because of that, Zuby is also feeling sad. Interesting. Thank you for sharing that. Are there any more, or should we?
Yeah, Khushbu is saying that she must be feeling bad because for her friend. Sanjay is saying Zuby feeling good, but little bit sad for Elephant.
Yeah, right. I guess I already saw an example where we saw that Sanjay's laptop has been broken, and the friend is also like, he's also upset that the laptop is broken and I'm going to help. So I guess that's the feeling where it is coming from. Thank you for sharing, everybody, your responses. All right. I really like how everybody's feeling, like, the friend is not winning and we have to feel sad about it. All right. So let's see what happens next. So then Ellie goes to the mother, and mother sees that, she's really sad and upset and not feeling well. So she asks that, how was the race? Kaisa raha aapka race? And Ellie's like very upset and very frustrated. So she's like, oh, I'm fat, I'm slow, I'm a loser. Like, because everybody was saying that, right, to her. And that's how she was feeling. And then she's like, Zuby or Ginny kitna tez bhag sakte hai? So then hearing this, the mother is asking, I agree, Ellie, but do you think that they can carry heavy loads? Do you guys think that Zuby and Ginny can carry heavy loads? Heavy loads मतलब भारी सामान उठा सकते हैं क्या? What do you guys think?
Alicia is saying nahi, they can't. Nakul is also saying ki nahi.
Yeah.
Elisha is saying that no, they can't, because everyone has their own speciality and strengths.
Interesting. Thank you for sharing that. And thank you, Smriti, for sharing the responses. Yes, exactly, right? They cannot. And I really love the response that, everybody has their own specialties. Amazing. So let's see, what what Ellie is responding. So Ellie is also saying that no, they are not that strong that they can carry heavy loads, you know. And then the mother is saying that, you know, exactly, अगर ज़ूबी जो zebra है वो तेज नहीं भागेगा तो other animals जो होते हैं उनका शिकार कर लेंगे. So naturally, zebra has to have that qualities that they have to run fast, they have to be very quick, and that's how the qualities have been developed in the zebra, and hence she has to run really very fast. What do you guys think? Like, why does Ginny run so fast? Ginny was the giraffe. So what do you think? Like, why does the giraffe has the capability of running fast? Because she was also the second. Or what do you think are some of the specialities like were mentioned of the giraffe?
Yeah, we have some responses here. Nakul says that they have long legs.
Absolutely, long legs helps you to run faster.
Yeah, so does Sanjay.
Absolutely. And what other qualities do you think? Like, you know, what other specialty does the giraffe have? What superpower would be of giraffe apart from running fast because of the legs?
So Laisha is saying that he's tall. Rihan is also saying that the giraffes have long neck.
Absolutely amazing. It helps to, you know, pick the plants, eat the dead remains of the plants, leaves and the flowers, and that's how they help us preserving nature as well. Absolutely. Thank you for sharing that. Yeah, and so then even the mother elephant is saying, yeah, you know, that giraffe's tall neck helps her to win a fight as well, because then वो अपने शिकार को घेर ले सकती है, and that's how giraffe also wins the fight as well. So that's one of the specialty for giraffe as well. And so then Ellie's like understanding everything, like trying to process that, you know, yeah, my mom is saying correct all these things, but I really don't know what am I good at. So then what do you guys think? What do you think is the specialty of Ellie then, if you had to tell Ellie something, that what would be the specialty of Ellie? Or superpower of it?
Rihan is saying he's strong.
Strong. Excellent, yeah.
Yeah, Nakul is also saying he's heavyweight. Kanishka is also saying it's strong. Anisha is saying that they are determined.
Oh yes, determined. Heavyweight lifters.
Yeah. Nakul is also saying, you know, that they are mastermind.
Wow. Nakul, would you like to expand on that? I really like the idea of mastermind. So if you can unmute and share your response on this, that would be great. If you can, and if you're comfortable only.
I guess he'll type in chat only.
Anything that.
Okay. Kanishka is also saying he understands all things, and so is Sanjay.
Yeah, they understand, like they are so good at judgments and understanding what is happening around them. Exactly. So yeah, so now that's what Ellie is trying to understand. Like, you know, what am I good at then? If these all guys are so good at different things, what is my strength? And exactly that's what the mother elephant says, that, you know, we help people by carrying heavy loads. And have you noticed that elephants in general are very kind and caring creatures? They come across, they understand your emotions, they can exactly make out what is happening. They are very good at the judgments, like you all shared, and that's precisely what the mother elephant shared with her. And to that Ellie is responding, oh yeah, you know what, some of the animals जो होते हैं मुझे hunt भी नहीं करते, मेरा शिकार भी नहीं करते क्योंकि मैं इतनी बड़ी हूँ, right? Because there's a fear, there's scare, like people are scared of huge creatures and everything. So that's how she's trying to reflect कि अच्छा क्या हो रहा है. And that's what the lesson is, right? That we are all good at some things, and it's not necessary that we are not that great in other things. So we can be good at maybe painting right now, we can be good at singing or music or whatever. Everybody has their own different strengths, but it's not necessary that we are great at everything, or maybe we are not great at it right now. So how about we do a quick activity where if each one of you can share, what do you think that you are good at? Like, what is something that you are super good at and that you think is your strength as of now? So one thing that you are extremely
Yeah, Shati, before that, there was this beautiful response by Nakul here about elephants, that they have like a sense of community and like they have amazing unity and they always move together in big groups as well. And Alicia also said, that we can be ourselves, and that makes us strong. Yeah.
Wow. So
Responses,
beautiful.
yeah,
Like
right?
I'm going to make sure I use that in the next workshop that I do. Like the move in groups, the feeling of community. Thank you for sharing that and helping me learn that as well. Great. So let's take like maybe 10 seconds and think about something that we are good at. Like what do you think currently is your strength? Something that you can say that, oh, I'm good at this thing.
We have responses here already. Rihan, does that say photoshopper or photographer? I'm not sure if you can tell us. So Rihan says that I'm a photoshopper and I'm really good at it.
Okay. Rihan, would you like to share, like maybe unmute and share if you're
Yes,
comfortable?
ma'am. There is a software Photoshop, and I usually edit my photos, and I also make new creatives in Photoshop and in Illustrator also.
Wow.
Ah, I see. Awesome.
Interesting.
Awesome. We have a dancer here with us. So Alicia is saying that she is a dancer and she's really good at it. And Sanjay is also saying कि उन्हें भी Photoshop आता है और वीडियो एडिटिंग वगैरह भी उनका स्ट्रेंथ है और उन्हें बहुत मजा आता है वो करने में. And Elisha is saying that he's also good at Photoshop.
Wow. So many good Photoshop.
Oh yes, absolutely. And Kanishka is saying she is really good at drawing, and so is Nakul.
Wow. Really great artist and creative people, I would say. Like, thank you for sharing, everybody. Wow, there I can see some of the responses.
Yeah, there are like a few more responses again. So Siaram is saying that he loves playing football, dribbling, and let's take a guess, Photoshop again. Awesome. Anisha is saying she's a good writer and also a dancer, and she thinks she's good at it. Anisha, I'm sure you're good at it, and you can always become better at it. Kanishka is really good at art and craft. Elisha is a dancer, choreographer, singer, and her strength is sorry, Elisha is a boy, I'm guessing, sorry. And his strength is multitasking. Nice. Sanjay says that they design newsletters for the school and they are getting really good at that as well. Arey, awesome, yaar. So many different, an amazing, talented group of children we have here. Awesome.
Yeah, I think a couple of them we can also leverage. Just kidding, guys. No child labor. But yeah, amazing. Thank you so much for sharing all your responses. Raviraj is also saying that I'm good in Photoshop, of course, and teaching younger children. Interesting. Thank you for sharing that. All right. Okay. Now we have thought like something that we are awesome at. Like I see so many tasks that you're awesome at. Would you like to share something that you would like to learn more about, or something that you're not good at it right now, or something that you know that okay, this is something I want to learn, but not right now. I'm that great at, but I have the curiosity to learn about it. So if you can share that as well. Okay, Alicia, I'll repeat the question. तो अब हम ये सोचेंगे कि ये तो हमारे strengths है ही, like we are awesome at it, we know it very well, और हम ये practice करते हैं. तो ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं जो हमें और बेहतर करनी है, like हमें करनी है पर अभी हम इतने बेहतर नहीं है उसमें, या अभी हम इतने अच्छे नहीं है वो skill में, but we want to improve and want to learn more about it. Okay, we have some responses. I hope Alicia आपको question समझ आया. Okay, so Khushbu is saying classical dance. Wow. Thank you for sharing that. Nakul is saying making new experiment. Interesting. Freestyle dancing. Interesting. So अभी dancing में भी categories आने लगे. Not just this, but very specifically, I want freestyle dancing. Thank you for sharing it so specifically. Kanishka is saying making new experiments. Sanjay is saying improving English. Okay. Rihan is saying I'm not so good at designing virtual graphics and design, and I'm going to improve my graphic designing and editing skills. Wow. Thank you for sharing that. A lot of thought has gone in. Anisha is saying would like to improve over my dancing skills. Like we have dancers and designers. Laisha is saying explore myself and experimenting new things. Wow. All right. So I guess we can move on. Thank you so much for sharing this. And okay, Alicia is saying improve on my personality and improve on my dance. Very interesting responses. And I like how you all have actually thought about it. Like, you know, because मेरे लिए इतना difficult होता है कि अच्छा मुझे किसमें improve करना है. Like, क्या करूँगी तो improve करना है. और you guys have so much of specific responses उसमें भी कि अच्छा graphic में ये करना है या dance में freestyle में ये करना है. So thank you so much for sharing that. Having such great reflections and already thought about it. So great. Moving forward. So हम next part में एक game खेलने वाले हैं और ये game का नाम है क्या ये आप है. All right. So मैं कुछ actions actions present करूँगी character के and you have to think that do you show these actions. So for example, if I say that मुझे नई चीजें जानना बहुत पसंद है. So अगर आपको भी ये पसंद है ये एक्शन करना या आप ये एक्शन हर रोज अपनी लाइफ में दिखाते हो या ऑफन दिखाते हो अपनी लाइफ में, so then that means that this is something that you can relate to, कि आप अपने आप से रिलेट कर सकते हो. और उसके साथ मैं आपको बताऊंगी तो अच्छा ये स्ट्रेंथ कौन सी है. So आज हम 5 स्ट्रेंथ्स के बारे में थोड़ा और जानने की कोशिश करेंगे और ये हम ये वाले गेम से करने की कोशिश करेंगे. So समझ आया सबको क्या कर रहे हैं या confusing, थोड़ी clarity चाहिए. All right, I can see thumbs up like this. All right. Okay, so let's play. Just give me a second before I share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
All right. So जैसे कि आप सबको पता है ये गेम का नाम है क्या ये आप है. So I will show some actions. You have to think कि क्या आप भी एक्शन दिखाते हैं and then I will show you what strength it is. Okay, कौन सी strength के बारे में हम देख रहे हैं. And it would be great अगर आप ये note down भी कर सकते हैं साथ साथ में if you have a note and a pen. So that we can know कि अच्छा हमारी कौन सी और strengths है. जैसे हमने already ये तो पता ही है हमें है, but what if we have some other strengths as well जो हम आज जानने की कोशिश करेंगे. All right. So with that, this is the first strength that we are going to talk about. क्या आपको जब कोई concept समझ में नहीं आता या कोई चीज समझ में नहीं आती तो आप उसके ऊपर questions करते हैं. जैसे उसको समझे बिना आपको चैन ही नहीं मिलता है कि कुछ भी हो जाए I have to get answers to this. भले ही वो टीचर का दिमाग खा के हो जाए या तो फिर इंटरनेट से सर्च कर करके हो जाए. Anything that happens, आपको ये समझ like you have to get answers to this, and you are always looking like you are always questioning. अच्छा ये ऐसा क्यों है? Why this? What will happen? So, firstly, किसी ने सोचा कि ऐसा कोई behavior आप दिखाते हो या ऐसे कोई actions आप दिखाते हो? If you think yes, then can you give me a thumbs up so I can understand कि आपको समझ आया क्या कर रहे हैं हम. All right. So I can see Dhyaneshwari is giving a thumbs up. All right. Great. Sanjay is also saying that okay, this looks like him. Okay, so then this कोई guess करना चाहेगा ये strength को क्या बोलते हैं? अगर हम continuously किसी चीज के बारे में और जानने की कोशिश करते हैं और हम हमेशा ही उत्सुक होते हैं उस चीजों के बारे में, excited होते हैं जानने के लिए. So कोई guess करना चाहेगा ये वाली strength को क्या बोलते हैं? Rough guess. There is nothing right or wrong here.
Yes, we do have some responses here who like बच्चे बोल रहे हैं. So we have Rihan, Alisha, Sanjay, Laisha, all of them saying curiosity. Sanjay is saying कि confused लग रहा है बच्चे.
Right. Wow, that's a very nice other way to look at it as well, Sanjay. Thank you for sharing it so honestly. But yay, awesome guys. Actually, that strength is curiosity, जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं जिज्ञासा. नई चीजों के बारे में जानने के लिए हमेशा कोशिश करते रहना और जब तक आंसर ना मिले चैन नहीं मिलता. So if you think that you are this person, then your strength is curiosity. जिज्ञासा आपकी strength हो सकती है. So if you want to quickly write it down, maybe if this is something that आपने नहीं सोचा था कि curiosity भी आपकी strength है. All right.
Shachi, on that note, actually we had like a few requests कि उन्हें instructions एक बार वापस सुनने थे. So we have some curious people, students here who want to understand the instructions once again.
Sure.
So if we can just check in Dolly
So
and a few other students.
Right. So I think we already know that their strength is curiosity because उन्होंने ये question पूछा जानने के लिए और so automatically curiosity आपकी strength हो गई. So ये गेम में ऐसा है कि मैं आपको कुछ actions दिखाऊंगी जैसे कि हमने ये फिकर में देखा कि अगर आपको और जानना पसंद है या ये वाले कैरेक्टर को questions करना पसंद है और फिर हम वो strength कौन सी है वो हम देखेंगे कि अच्छा तो इस strength को क्या बोलते हैं. अगर हम ये actions दिखाते हैं तो strength कौन सी है या वो super power कौन सा है. So I hope now the activity is clear. और साथ साथ में हम ये भी सोचेंगे कि क्या हम ये दिखाते हैं हमारे जीवन में बिकॉज हम हमारे सुपर पावर हमारे स्ट्रेंथ्स जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं इसलिए. All right. I hope the instructions are clear now. If they are still not, I'll be more than happy to explain again. And you can still ask questions. Okay, we have them. All right. Moving on. Let's move to the second strength. So in this strength, ऐसा है कि आपको किसी के भी साथ हमारे क्लास में बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं राइट. कुछ लोग हमें बहुत ही पसंद होते हैं कुछ लोग हमें इतने पसंद नहीं होते हैं बट काम तो हमें सबके साथ ही करना पड़ता है. टीचर बिठाई देते हैं कि नहीं काम करना है बेटा सबके साथ रोल नंबर वाइज करना है पार्टनर के साथ करना है. बट दैट डज नॉट स्टॉप यू दैट मेक्स यू फील मोर मोटिवेटेड टू डू इट. एंड जब आप ये साथ में काम कर रहे हैं या किसी पेयर के साथ काम कर रहे हैं you always appreciate the ideas that are shared on the table. Oh, I like that idea. It's a wonderful idea. Or you always kind of ask आप share करना चाहेंगे आप क्या सोचते हैं इस idea के बारे में. And you always are interested into taking दूसरों के लोगों की सोच इसमें. क्या कौन सी strength है ये? और पहले तो क्या आप ये स्ट्रेंथ दिखाते हैं एक साथ मिलके काम करना लोगों के आइडियाज को अप्रिशिएट करना. ऐसा नहीं कि अरे नहीं ये क्या बकवास आइडिया है तुम्हारा आइडिया नहीं इनका आइडिया लेते बट रादर मोटिवेट करना और लोगों को कि अच्छा आप भी शेयर कीजिए आप भी इस ग्रुप का पार्ट है तो आप भी शेयर कीजिए. व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज दिस स्ट्रेंथ?
So Anisha is saying that it's adjusting, being comfortable, supportive, and then supportive of other people's ideas. And Sanjay is saying कि हाँ मैम मेरे में तो ये strength तो पक्का ही है ये वाला strength. और नकुल कह रहा है कि मैम कभी कभी ये strength मेरे में है. Rihan is also saying that he has the strength.
Wow, thank you so much for sharing that. And I really like how the idea of supportive and consideration comes into place. So thank you so much for sharing so honestly, because कभी-कभी हम कर सकते हैं, कभी-कभी हम कुछ strength दिखा सकते हैं, कभी नहीं दिखा सकते situations के हिसाब से. So I like that reflection as well. Any
Yeah.
more response?
Yes, Alicia is saying, that these are team spirit and leadership qualities that she recognizes from these qualities.
Yes, absolutely. So you cracked it right well. And this strength is called teamwork. And जैसे कि one of the student also shared कि teamwork करने के लिए supportive होना बहुत जरूरी है, right? So वो supportive होना teamwork का one of the part भी है. So thank you so much for bringing that in for others as well. So yes, this is the teamwork. I know बहुत difficult है teamwork करना. मेरे लिए तो स्कूल में होता ही नहीं था. Like I was so bad at it because इतने सारे लोगों के साथ काम करना इज समथिंग दैट मैंने बड़े होके सीखा है. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रेंथ जो मैंने नॉट कि मैं शायद बचपन में दिखाती थी, बट मे बी आई हैव लर्नड इट आफ्टर आई ग्रू अप और व्हाइल आई ग्रू अप. सो थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग दैट. ऑल राइट, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट थिंग. सो ऑल राइट, आई एम वेरी श्योर ये बहुत ही इजी पिक्चर है और आप मेकआउट कर रहे हैं कि क्या है. सो क्या आपको अनजान लोगों की मदद करना, रास्ते में अगर किसी की सब्जी गिर जाती है या बैग उठाना रेलवे स्टेशन पे किसी का, या किसी भी तरीके से कोई अनजान इंसान कठिनाई में है और आप उनकी मदद के लिए जाते हैं, या तो फिर लेट्स से ओके जैसे आज हुआ राइट कि संजय का लैपटॉप हैज बीन ब्रोकन एंड हैंड हैज बीन एक्सटेंडेड. आई एम सॉरी संजय, मैं आपका एग्जांपल आज बहुत यूज करने वाली हूँ बिकॉज आपने वो बार सेट कर दिया था. और या तो फिर कभी ऐसा होता है कि हमारे क्लासमेट्स लंच लेके नहीं आते हैं. वी लव शेयरिंग फूड विद देम. So do you think this is something that you like doing, and this is something that you show it like whenever possible? If yes, give me a thumbs up, or you can write in the chat box as well.
Yeah, and Shachi, there are some beautiful responses here. बच्चे वही बोल रहे हैं बहुत सारे कि yes, ये जो pictures है. Hello, hi, sorry,
Yeah,
am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that it's all about helping people. कि कोई अनजान व्यक्ति है या कोई अपना जान पहचाना है, that it's all about helping people, being sympathetic, being kind towards people, and it's a great quality.
Absolutely, and I think the answer is right there. All right, so yes, जैसे कि आप सबने बताया, इस strength को हम बोलते हैं kindness. एंड अगेन काइंडनेस में इट्स नॉट जस्ट नेसेसरी कि हमारे आसपास के लोगों के लिए हम मदद करते हैं या उनके लिए खड़े हैं, बट वी आर ऑल्सो काइंडनेस वो क्वालिटी है कि जो हम सबके लिए करते हैं. इट्स नॉट कि मेरी पहचान का नहीं है सो आई विल नॉट रीच आउट, बट इट्स फॉर एवरीबडी, राइट? सो इफ यू थिंक दैट यू हैव द स्ट्रेंथ, प्लीज राइट इट डाउन because this is your superpower as well, apart from the amazing other superpowers that you have. All right.
Oh, wow. Alicia is saying, that being helpful to others is also beautiful for us. You give love and you get love.
Wow, so beautiful.
And Sanjay had shared something about the previous strength quality. Ki team ka full form is together everyone achieves more. Yeah,
Wow.
and Sanjay is also saying कि वो हमेशा उनके दोस्तों के साथ मिल बांट के ही खाना खाते हैं, तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है वो तो.
Wow. So apart from the long list of strengths that Sanjay ने पहले बताए थे, so I think और strengths add होती जा रहे हैं, list बढ़ती जा रहा है. So thank you so much for sharing that. All right, moving on to the fourth, I guess. Yes, fourth strength for the day. I like how everybody's sharing reactions also. Like I see a lot of hearts popping up at times. There are some people who give thumbs up and everything. Thank you for doing that. All right. So, in any guesses? Like ये तो होना ही है, हमारे साथ कभी तो हुआ ही होगा कि किसने किया ये, and we always put the blame on somebody. कि ओ ये तो भाई ने किया था, नहीं ये तो उसने किया था ना, मैंने थोड़ी किया था. टीचर ने पूछा कि कॉपी किसने किया था, नहीं, मैंने नहीं किया था, वो तो वो कॉपी कर रहा था, इसलिए मैं तो सिर्फ देख रही थी, राइट? एवरीबडी हैज, इट हैज टू हैपन विद एवरीबडी. आई एम श्योर आपके साथ भी हुआ.
या सो वही लाइशा ने यहाँ सारे रिस्पॉन्सेस दे दिए हैं, कि एडमिटिंग योर मिस्टेक्स, टेलिंग द ट्रूथ एंड बीइंग ऑनेस्ट. ऐसे रिहान इज आल्सो सेइंग कि हाँ, टेलिंग नॉट टेलिंग लाइज.
Wow. I like how I don't have to explain everything and everything is like explained to me.
Yeah, honesty is the best policy, and having obedience, not telling lies.
Absolutely. So the next strength is honesty. I know बहुत सारे सिचुएशन में ये दिखाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, राइट? कैसे बताए टीचर को कि अच्छा मैंने चीटिंग नहीं, मतलब बाजू वाला चीटिंग कर रहा है. फ्रेंड का भी तो ध्यान रखना है ना, राइट? फ्रेंडशिप टूट जाएगी and all those things. But I know like such a great strength to possess. Honesty, being open about accepting your mistakes and admitting कि आपने क्या किया था, या किसी ने कुछ गलत किया हो तो उसके लिए voice out करना. So basically that's honesty. If you think that you show this strength, please write it down in your notebook. It would be glad to add it in your list as well. All right.
Shati, if we have some time, I would love to pause here and I would love to hear from the children. बच्चों, मुझे आपसे सुनना है specifically about honesty. क्या आप हमारे साथ शेयर करना चाहेंगे कि आपके साथ ऐसा कोई एक्सट्रीम एक्सपीरियंस हुआ हो कि तब उस सिचुएशन में ऑनेस्ट रहना बहुत मुश्किल हुआ हो, और आपने जो भी किया हो, आपने सच बोला हो या नहीं भी बोला हो, आप ऐसा कोई स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहेंगे हमारे साथ? And it's okay. हाँ,
Sanjay have this huge smile on his face. I guess he has something to tell us.
संजय कोई बात नहीं है, हम सबके बीच की बात है, आप कुछ भी बता सकते हो.
मैम ऐसे हम मतलब रिहान के साथ था, तो मतलब ये लोग मेरा फोन यूज करते रहते हैं, तो हमेशा मतलब मैं चैट, सारे चैट पढ़ के उसको जाके, मैं इनको चैट कभी पढ़ने नहीं देता, और फिर भी इनको मेरा मतलब सारे जो भी पासवर्ड सब कुछ पता है, तभी जाके मैं इन्हें कभी बताता नहीं हूँ. बट लेकिन क्या करूँ, उनके सामने जाके वो सारा जितना होता है पासवर्ड पूछ लेंगे आराम से. मैं चाहता हूँ नहीं बताऊं, ये लोग बट तब भी पूछ के सारी चैट्स करके पढ़ के फिर भाई बोले क्या चल रहा है भाई, क्या मस्ती, कहाँ कहाँ, पूरे दिन भर की डिटेल निकालेंगी है. तो मैं चाह के भी कुछ छुपा नहीं पाता इनसे.
अरे वाह.
जैसे यहाँ में रिहान है, रविराज है.
अरे वाह. सो बेसिकली आप दोस्तों के सामने जो भी है आपकी वो खुली किताब हो जाती है, और उनके सामने आप कुछ नहीं छुपा पाते हो ऐसे? बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
छुपाने की कोशिश करता हूँ बट पकड़ा जाता हूँ एंड तक तो.
अरे भाई संजय, ऐसे क्या छुपाने वाली बात है? छुपाना क्या चाहते हो वैसे तुम?
मैम कुछ भी नहीं, बट तब भी इनको ऐसे ही, मतलब फोन में कुछ भी नहीं होगा, कुछ भी नहीं होता है, बट उस बात को लेके ये किसी का भी कांटेक्ट लेके, किसी को भी फ्रेंड को मैसेज करके मुझे उल्टा फंसा देंगे ये लोग.
अरे आई थिंक दोस्तों का तो काम ही यही होता है, अब क्या करें.
बट माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स आर वेरी गुड.
अरे ऑसम ऑसम ऑसम. यार हमने इस बात पे तो मुझे अपनी एक और बात याद आ गई ऐसे हमने, बट वो ऑनेस्टी से रिलेटेड नहीं है, वो वैसे मतलब फ्रेंडशिप से ऐसे ज्यादा रिलेटेड है, बट या ऑसम. कभी और बताऊंगी, अभी आप लोग शेयर करो, मैं कभी और बताऊंगी. एनीबडी एल्स? कोई कुछ शेयर करना चाहेगा कि कोई भी सिचुएशन में आप मतलब झूठ बोलना, मतलब सच बोलना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, तो आप क्या करते हो?
Can I say something?
चलो हाँ.
Can I say something?
Sure, Vinay, please.
So basically, I feel that, if I get into this kind of situation, I just straightforwardly come up with the truth. because I know, anytime, like, this will happen. The truth will come out someday or the other. So it might as well be now.
Okay.
I really don't take chances at all.
तो मैंने आप कह रहे हो कि मतलब ऐसे कि जो भी सच है वो कभी ना कभी तो बाहर आ ही जाएगा, कि झूठ बोलने में की इतनी मेहनत कौन करे, इससे अच्छा सच ही बोल दो.
Exactly.
Nice. Awesome. ओके, तो बिफोर वी गो, अगर कोई और किसी को कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा तो मैं अपना एक किस्सा शेयर करती हूँ ऐसे. मैं ना कॉलेज में थी तब, मैं सेकेंड या थर्ड ईयर में होंगी शायद, और हमारा एक छोटा सा क्विज हमारे होते ही रहते थे, हमारे क्विजेस वगैरह. एक ऐसा क्विज था, और हम 200 लोगों के क्लास में, 200 लोगों का साथ में क्विज था, इतने सारे लोग थे, और मैं कुछ सेकंड लास्ट बेंच पे बैठी थी, और मुझे बहुत कम आ रहा था उस क्विज में ऐसे. तो मेरे एक दोस्त ने क्या किया, उसने वो जा रहा था आंसर पेपर देके, और उसने सारे के सारे आंसर्स, कुछ 8 या 10 क्वेश्चंस थे, तो एमसीक्यूज, और उसने सारे के सारे आंसर्स एक किताब में रख के ऐसे मेरे को इशारा करके वो चला गया कि अच्छा ये सारे आंसर्स ना इस किताब में है ऐसे. और मतलब सेकंड लास्ट बेंच पे 200 लोगों की क्लास में बैठी है, कौन किसको क्या पता चलने वाला था ऐसे. मैंने वो किताब ली भी, और एक आंसर भी लिख भी दिया, और फिर मुझे लगा यार नहीं यार क्या है, छोड़ो ना यार, क्विज ही तो है छोटा सा ऐसे. और फिर किताब छोड़ी, पेपर दे दिया, कोरा जो भी जितना आता था उतना लिख के पेपर दे दिया, और वहां से चली गई. अभी तक वो लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि ये इतना तो क्या है, मतलब कि तुम इतना भी चीटिंग नहीं कर सकते हो एग्जाम में, तुमको आता ही नहीं है चीटिंग करना ऐसे. अभी तक मेरे सारे दोस्त मुझे चिढ़ाते हैं उस बात को लेके. ऐसा ऐसा किसी के साथ और कुछ हुआ है क्या? अगर अभी नहीं बताना तो कोई बात नहीं, एक दूसरे के साथ शेयर करना, या विनय भैया और मनीषा दीदी के साथ शेयर करना बाद में.
मैम मेरे साथ हुआ था सेम. आई एम इन थर्ड क्लास. हाँ. तो मैंने मतलब मुझे सेम क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आ रहा था, तो वो भी स्टार्टिंग में 5th क्वेश्चन था, तो सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन था. तो मैं अपने फ्रेंड से पूछा, तो मैं ऐसे करके पूछा, भाई बता ना यार, भाई बता. तो बाकी मेरे फ्रेंड थे, उन्होंने मेरे को देख लिया. तो आज तक मतलब मैं आई मीन इन दिस टाइम 10th क्लास और 3 घर, तो 7 साल से लेके आज तक मुझे सेम बात है, भाई चीटिंग करने का तरीका हमें भी सिखाना है. तो आज तक ये लोग इस बात को लेके.
नाइस. ओके. हाँ, ट्रू. तो वही है कि लाइफ में इतनी बार ये होता है कि ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. तो फिर बाकी सब लोग जो भी करते हैं, हम क्या करते हैं उस पे हमें डिसाइड करना है ना. राइट. कूल. मजा आया सबसे बात करके. शची, ओवर टू यू फॉर द over to you.
All right. So I think we can go to the closing. So maybe we can let's do a quick activity maybe to understand everything, close the space basically. So आपको क्या लगता है, like ये कैरेक्टर स्ट्रेंथ्स जानना या हमारे स्ट्रेंथ्स के बारे में जानना जरूरी क्यों है? आपके हिसाब से ये इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों है? आपको क्या लगता है? Why do you think this is important? हमने ये जो पूरा किया, so why do you think this is important? You can share, unmute and share as well.
Anisha, can you see Shachi?
Yeah, I can. So, right. So that we can improve on the things where we sometimes go wrong. I'm sure कि वो स्मृति वाले एग्जाम्पल से थोड़ा डिराइव किया गया है. Nakul is saying because facing a problem. Rihan is saying we got to know about our strengths. So Rihan, what will you do about this? Now you know that maybe you have curiosity, maybe you have teamwork. So why knowing these were important? ये जानना क्यों जरूरी है? To know ourselves better.
Yes, ma'am.
I really love the response which Laisha has shared. We look at things in a positive way and see our strengths, then looking down on ourselves. Interesting. Rihan, you wanted to share?
Yes, ma'am. Now I will improve on my strengths and will do.
Right, to improve on our strengths. Okay, to improve on the things, absolutely. All right, any more responses to know ourselves, where we stand? Very interesting. Thank you for sharing that, Sanjay. Taking life in a positive approach. Very interesting. Okay. So let's imagine this scenario, okay? कि आपने इतने सारे strengths देखे, where you said that you are good at Photoshop, you are good at dancing, you are good at playing sports. There are so many strengths that I could see here. What will happen अगर आप ये strengths बार बार अगर practice नहीं करते हैं? What do you think will happen? So let's say that you just stop practicing your strength, और आपको पता है अच्छा ये मेरी strength है, and then just let's go to sleep. What will happen?
अच्छा, इसका एक एग्जाम्पल दूं क्या? तो सब लोगों को शायद इमेजिन करना इजी होगा इसका. सो सबने क्या स्पाइडरमैन मूवी देखी है क्या? So I can't see the students' responses. अच्छा, yes.
Yeah.
A lot of people are saying कि हाँ उन्होंने देखी है. Yes. Do you remember वो वाला सीन जब उस स्पाइडरमैन को सबसे पहली बार पता चलता है कि अच्छा मेरे पास तो ये स्ट्रेंथ है कि मतलब यार मेरे तो हाथ से कुछ निकल रहा है, राइट? एंड वो सबसे पहली बार जब कोशिश करता है ऐसे दीवारों पे वो चढ़ने की, तो उसके साथ क्या होता है? वो वाला सीन आपको याद है क्या? Yes, Laisha is saying that he starts practicing और फिर वो कितना गिरता पड़ता है, and he's like यार ये तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है initially. Yes, Laisha, Alisha, I was talking about the scene जहाँ स्पाइडरमैन मूवी में उसे पहली बार पता चलता है कि मेरे पास तो मेरे हाथ से ये चीज निकल रहा है वेब जैसा. तो वो पहली बार उसको जब पता चलता है तो वो उसके बाद उसको ट्राई करता है कि अच्छा अब देखते तो है कि इससे मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. और वो एक छोटे से बिल्डिंग की दीवार होती है, वहां वो चढ़ने की कोशिश करता है और वो चढ़ते चढ़ते काफी बार गिरता है और सोचता है कि यार और मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ इससे. तो कि ये जो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है कि मान लो आप जब आपकी खुद की स्ट्रेंथ ढूंढते हो उसके बाद आप उसे प्रैक्टिस कैसे करोगे या उसको प्रैक्टिस करने की आपको जरूरत लगती है? अरे वाह, नकुल इज सेइंग ट्राई एंड फेल बट डोंट फेल टू ट्राई. अरे वाह, क्या बात है. ये सब यार हमें तुम लोगों से स्लोगन्स वगैरह ऐसे लिखवाने चाहिए यार.
Yeah.
Nakul is really good with these one-liners.
Noted.
One more strength. Noted. Yeah, and I think अगर मैं एक और एग्जांपल इसमें दूं तो फॉर एग्जांपल एक बीच में टाइम था जब मैं रनिंग में बहुत अच्छी थी. लाइक देयर वाज अ वेरी ब्रीफ टाइम जब मैं कंटिन्यूअसली रन करती थी एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. बट लेटर व्हेन आई स्टॉप्ड डूइंग दैट, लाइक नाउ जब मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है या मैंने अभी बंद कर दिया है, आई रियलाइज कि वो कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है, राइट? जब हम कोई स्ट्रेंथ पूरा टाइम प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते हैं या कोई चीज हम छोड़ देते हैं बीच में, तो इट अगेन रिक्वायर्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू गेट बैक टू इट. एंड हेंस आई आपको क्या लगता है कि इसलिए भी इम्पोर्टेंट है बिकॉज यू नो इट माइट लूज आउट ऑफ अस थिंकिंग कि अच्छा हमारे पास ये है ही बट हम प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो इट माइट लूज आउट ऑफ अस, और इट विल टेक सम टाइम टू गेट बैक टू दैट स्ट्रेंथ अगेन. दिस इज अ वेरी पर्सनल एग्जांपल. अगर किसी के साथ ऐसा कुछ हुआ है, इफ यू कैन शेयर सम एक्सपीरियंसेस.
Shachi, Anisha is sharing ki it's definitely needed to practice our strengths and make them stronger, and it helps us in a good way and it makes life more positive and helpful.
Wow.
Alisha is also saying never misuse your strength and कि ये प्रैक्टिस करते रहना चाहिए बट कभी मिसयूज नहीं करना चाहिए, वरना वो ही आपकी स्ट्रेंथ आपकी वीकनेस बन सकती है. really really nice, really cool, great.
Yeah.
confidence she's talking about. Being confident is also a great thing, and we need to be confident, to feel better about ourselves. Nice.
And I also like the aspect that overconfidence breaks us down. So having it in a balanced amount.
Absolutely, absolutely. So I guess that's like amazing, and it आपने ही सबने ये हमें पूरा बता दिया कि कैसे हम सब में strengths होते हैं, how all of us need to keep working hard, and we need to polish those strengths and to make them stronger every time and every day. And of course, as all of you mentioned अभी, कि उन strengths को ही हम अगर ओवर यूज करते हैं या मिस यूज करते हैं तो वो ही स्ट्रेंथ हमारी वीकनेस बन सकते हैं, है ना? लवली लवली. सो व्हाट स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ योर्स डू यू प्लान टू पॉलिश एंड मेक इट स्ट्रॉन्गर? एंड वो ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है लाइक क्यूरियोसिटी, लाइक लर्निंग, लाइक काइंडनेस, लाइक हार्ड वर्क, परसिवियरेंस, या ऑनेस्टी, ऑथेंटिसिटी, कुछ भी हो सकता है. कौन सा ऐसा स्ट्रेंथ है, या डांसिंग, प्लेइंग, पेंटिंग, कुछ भी, तो कौन सा ऐसा स्ट्रेंथ है आपका कि जो आप उस पे और वर्क करना चाहते हो, आप उसे और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाना चाहते हो? Cool. Nakul is saying drawing. Dhaneshwari is saying running and dancing. Amazing. Laisha is saying dancing, and उसमें भी कोई नया dance form. Siaram is saying football skills. Anisha is saying dancing, writing, and making YouTube videos. अरे वाह. Nakul is also saying stamina. अरे वो मुझे भी करना है, मुझे long distance running कब से करना है, तो वो मुझे उस पे improve करना है ऐसे. My goal in 2020 is 21K. Ravi Raj is saying curiosity and hard work. Amazing, amazing. I think I missed a response बीच में. हाँ, Rihan is saying public speaking skills. अरे भाई बहुत जरूरी होते हैं. मैंने जैसे शची दीदी ने बोला ना कि उन्होंने टीम वर्क बड़े होके सीखा, मैंने पब्लिक स्पीकिंग स्किल्स और ये सब बड़े होके सीखा. हाँ. Wow, brilliant, brilliant. So yeah, Shachi, over to you for any concluding remarks or anything.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, Smriti, for like summarizing it so perfect. And actually, the students did it for us. So thank you so much for doing that. And some beautiful takeaways that we both have from your interaction and discussion. And I have had lots of fun. मुझे तो बहुत ही मजा आया है. So I know that we are 2 minutes over time, but I would love to know how are you feeling? आप अभी कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं? Anything that you want to share with us? या आपके कोई takeaways आप आज क्या लेके जा रहे हो? So one thing is how are you feeling, and what is one takeaway that you are going with? Like what is one thing that changed in you and you want to take this away from this space? Be it किसी से learn किया इस group में. So yeah.
Yeah, for this, I'll allow everyone to speak, and I'll allow everyone to unmute themselves so that they can tell you how was the class and how much they enjoyed it. Yeah, so everyone can unmute themselves.
Okay, so I think for this, we are going to do a quick tagging thing so that everybody gets to share and we hear everybody's voice. I'm going to tag Dhyaneshwari.
मैम मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा सेशन आज का. और कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि सामने वाला आपसे पूछता है कि आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या है, पर आपको पता नहीं होता. तो मुझे इसमें से मुझे पता चला कि मेरी कुछ तो भी स्ट्रेंथ्स है. पहले आपने पूछा ना आपको स्ट्रेंथ्स पता है क्या आपकी, तो मुझे कुछ भी याद नहीं आ रहा था कि मुझे क्या आता है, कुछ ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं, पर समझ आया. आपने जब एक्सप्लेन किया ना वो, तो समझ आया.
Thank you, Dhyaneshwari, for sharing that. Tag करना पड़ेगा किसी को.
अलीशा.
अच्छा, कोई बाद में डांटेगा नहीं. हाँ, so it's okay, like tag. Alicia, you can unmute and share.
Alicia, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Today's session, I really liked it. I am actually not this actually very. I actually, when I was speaking on when I was typing on the chat box, I actually felt that today now I can tell myself that I'm confident, and I'm not this confident kind of person, but it actually made me feel really confident about myself. And I would really like to improve on these things, few things which I lack in. So thank you so very much for letting me know my strengths and my weaknesses and making me a confident person. Thank you so much.
Thank you for sharing that, Alicia. It takes a lot to share your with honesty. से ये share करना कि हम किसमें admit करना कि what are our weaknesses also is a very beautiful thing that you have done here for us. So thank you for doing that. Yeah, would you like to tag somebody? Yeah.
Yeah, and we see their peers cheering for them. So Alicia, yeah, great job, and Anisha, great job for supporting Alicia. So yeah.
Alicia, you'll have to tag somebody.
I will like to tag
I missed it, like the name.
Basically, they are the volunteers. We can allow the kids to speak. Yeah.
Okay.
When
Yes,
you want to say
basically, Laisha and Elisha, Khushbu, and Anisha.
Okay.
They are all volunteers for, basically they have volunteered to be moderators like what Manisha does here, basically.
Okay.
Yes.
Great.
Yes. So I got them on a call to get it like a kind of a training kind of a thing, because I have this like a whole week's program so that, they can get accustomed about how, a class is supposed to be moderated. So that's what sorry, I didn't clear that in advance. I'm really sorry about that.
I guess it's absolutely okay. We are all children. We can all share. Okay, so then maybe I can tag the kids that I can see here. Raviraj, if you can share.
Yes, ma'am. In class, I knew about my strength. Before that class, I didn't know about my strengths. Just learning.
That's a great strength to have. Learning is itself a great strength. Thank you for sharing that, Raviraj. Okay, so I think Nakul, I'll tag.
Hello, miss.
Hi.
Ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you.
Can I chat? Ma'am, please, can I chat?
Absolutely, please. Feel free to do that.
Thanks, ma'am.
Most welcome. Rihan, would you like to share?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
I'm feeling very happy after the session, and thank you so much for joining everything. And I'm very glad to attend this session, and I also got to know about my strengths. I didn't know about my strengths before, but now I got to know.
Which strength in particular? Like which strength?
I'm curiosity.
Okay. Great. Thank you for sharing that, Rihan. Am I missing anybody? Sanjay. Yes.
I'm attending this class. I'm feeling very happy and light because I'm flying in the sky. That's all, ma'am.
Glad to know. Thank you so much for sharing that. Okay, so we did Vidyaneshwari, Sanjay, Raviraj, Nakul, Rihan. Sorry, I don't know which are the kids.
Left with Siaram, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah. So, ma'am, I am happy to attend this class, and I am and I know that I have so many strength, and I will focus on my strength to make it at high level. That's it.
Wow. Thank you so much for sharing that. And like a big round of applause to all of you for sharing so honestly. So let's clap for ourselves. And if you can also turn on your videos so that we can take a nice picture, a parting picture. And I would love for volunteers also to do that if they are comfortable.
And